So I'm about to get started cleaning some filters. Just wanted to show you the complete kit. It's called the complete kit because it comes with everything you need to clean your filters, including this great bag. It also stores your tools. That's the key component. So let's see inside. First, you got this big pocket. It carries the Cyclone and the wand. There's a Cyclone stand, the wand, instructions. And then there's a pocket made to carry the retainers, the top and bottom retainers. And this is a really big pocket. It's meant to carry tools. You can, put wrenches, channel locks, screwdrivers. So I've got everything I need now to go disassemble these filters, reassemble them, and carry my Cyclone all in one trip without having to go back to the truck. So that's the complete kit. Now let's go clean some filters.